Crux is the smallest constellation in the sky, formed of four stars in the southern sky in the bright portion of the Milky Way. Its name is Latin for cross, and it is dominated by a cross or kite-shaped asteroid that is commonly called the Southern Cross. The bright stars in Crux were known to the ancient Greeks. They were entirely visible as far as north as Britain in the 4th millennium BC. However, the precession of equinoxes gradually lowered the stars below the European horizon, and they were eventually forgotten by the inhabitants of northern latitudes by 400 CE. The constellation is easily visible from the southern hemisphere at practically any time of the year. For a large part of the southern hemisphere, the constellation is circumpolar. It is also visible near the horizon from the northern hemisphere, but not above 25° north latitude. The four main stars that form the asteroids are Alpha, Beta, Gamma, and Delta Crucis. Also, there is a fifth star that has been designated as Epsilon Crucis. Alpha Crucis, or A Crux, is a triple star system, 321 light-years away from Earth. It is a rich blue-colored star with a magnitude of 0.8 and has two close components of a similar magnitude, 1.3 and 1.8 respectively, plus another wider component of fifth magnitude. The two close components are resolved by a small amateur telescope, and the wide component is visible with binoculars. Beta Crucis, or Mimosa, is also a blue-colored giant star of magnitude 1.3, situated at a distance of 353 light-years from Earth. It is a variable star with a variation of less than 0.1 magnitudes. Gamma Crucis, or Gay Crux, is an optical double star. The primary is a red-colored giant of magnitude 1.6, 88 light-years from Earth, one of the closest red giants to Earth. Delta Crucis, or EMI, is a magnitude 2.8 blue-white star about 345 light-years from Earth. Like Mimosa, it is also a beta-Cephid variable. In the southern hemisphere, the Southern Cross is used frequently for navigation in much the same way that the pole star is used in the northern hemisphere. Projecting a line from Gamma to Alpha Crucis, another perpendicular line taken southwards from the line joining Alpha and Beta Centauri, their points of interaction is very close to the south celestial pole. So the Southern Cross can also be used to find Alpha and Beta Centauri, the closest star system to our solar system, at a distance of 4.37 light-years from Earth. The Coalsack Nebula lies partially within Crux and partially in the neighboring constellations of Musca and Centaurus. It is the most prominent dark nebula in the skies and a prominent dark patch in the southern Milky Way. Actually, it is a large amount of gas not letting the light from the distant Milky Way reach Earth. The Jewel Box Cluster, or NGC 4755, is a small and bright open cluster that appears fuzzy to the naked eye. The combined magnitude is 4.2, which is at a distance of 4.2 kiloparsecs from Earth. The bright test stars are mostly blue supergiants, though the cluster contains at least one red supergiant star. The Southern Cross is also of great cultural importance to the southern countries. Several organizations in southern countries gave traditionally used Crux as a national or distinctive symbol. The Crux also finds a place in the flags of Australia, Brazil, New Zealand, New Guinea, and Samoa. The Crux is also mentioned in the Brazilian and Australian national anthems. Also, the star HD 106906 has been formed to have a planet HD 106906b that has one of the widest orbits of any currently known planetary mass companions. So now, as you recognize the Southern Cross, 4 stars near southern sky will never be random dots to you. If you learned something new today and liked this video, then please subscribe the channel Astro Shakti to learn more about stars, nebulae, space, and much more astronomical bodies and facts.